The Mission Creek Trailhead serves as a remote gateway into the northern expanse of the Absaroka Bear Tooth Wilderness. Located roughly 12 miles east of Livingston, Montana, it offers access to rugged peaks, scenic wildflower meadows, and dense forest, making it a favored starting point for dedicated backcountry hikers and climbers. It serves as the gateway to the challenging 10.4-mile out and back trail, leading up to Elephant Head Mountain. The trail, Forest Trail 37, begins in the creek's headwaters, following a steady climb through both deep forests and areas shaped by the 2003 Rough Draw Complex fire, showcasing natural regrowth. Head out on this 10.4-mile out-and-back trail near Livingston, Montana, generally considered a challenging route. It takes an average of 7 hours, 16 minutes to complete. This trail is great for hiking, and it's unlikely you'll encounter many other people while exploring. The best times to visit this trail are July through September. Dogs are welcome and may be off-leash in some areas. The Mission Creek drainage is active wildlife habitat. The area sees frequent sightings of moose, including protective mothers with calves, and sits within grizzly bear country. carrying bear spray, and keeping a clean campsite are mandatory safety precautions. Hikers can use the Mission Creek side to ascend toward the saddle of Livingston Peak, which serves as the iconic mountain backdrop directly south of town. The route offers stunning views of the surrounding Absaroka peaks and the nearby Crazy Mountains. A high-clearance vehicle is strongly recommended to navigate the dirt and gravel roads approaching the trailhead. Ensure you stay on designated paths and respect private property as you travel through the initial ranch areas. Thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed Mission Creek Trailhead, the pathway to Elephant Head Mountain.